Hey everybody, welcome back to Rink's Garage. It's winter time and we're getting ready by acquiring snowmobiles. So today we're going to be cleaning up a couple. Tell you where Peyton's at on that one that has no motor. And maybe take them for a test drive. So we had a video a couple years ago where we got two Jags. One of them's over there in the corner. The other one's outside. Peyton's been working on. This one he got from his grandpa's brother. Has an engine issue. What'd you find? He's got a hole in the crankcase. Squirting out oil and gas everywhere. So, not quite sure what we're going to do with that. Might swap a motor out of that other Jag quick because we got carburetor issues with that. But then last night we picked up these two. We got a 01 Cross Country 500 Arctic Cat and a 99 Powder Special. And I don't think either of them have been ridden very much over the last 10 years. So we're going to clean them up, go through everything, make sure no mouse got any nests anywhere, and see if they run good. What do you think? Let's get to it. Alright, first one on the list Peyton's going to work on is the 500 Cross Country. This actually used to be my brother's snowmobile. But, what are you going to do?
Clean it up.
Make sure check the airbox and stuff. Back seat. Make sure there's no mice in there. That's how the mice get in the shop, seems to be in snowmobiles. Pretty clean.
Yeah, the other one has a little.
Yeah, I'll get this one cleaned up, and I did have it. I rode it around the yard last night once, but she is a little touchy. I had to have the choke on, so might just need to get ran a little bit, get the old gas out of her. I don't know how much gas is in it. It did smoke quite a bit. Looks like she puked a little oil out the exhaust, so hopefully ride a little bit, she'll come alive. So Peyton's gonna work on that one. I'm gonna work on this Powder Special. Clean it up, hop on there and see if you can turn it. Probably needs to be greased. Hop on there and see if you can turn it. I noticed she's pretty stiff. Should turn easy sitting in here. So check that out. This one runs good. It's EFI, so had it running last night too. It's got reverse. Backed it right in the shop, but we'll get them both cleaned up and run them a little bit. Peyton's getting started on the Cross Country. What are you doing?
Just using some spray away all-purpose cleaner and wiping it down.
Wiping it all down, get the dirt off. Sean that brought these over to us said he vacuumed out a bunch of mouse nests and stuff out of it, so we'll probably double check the airbox and stuff, and yeah, we'll get her cleaned up. Well, had her all cleaned up. Not too bad. Did a little tape job on the seat so I don't wreck it more. Hayden got his all cleaned up. Still smells a little mousy, but it's had the seat replaced once. That's not supposed to be green, but other than that, not too bad. This one's got 4,200 miles on it. This one says 1960. See if that works. Otherwise, that's pretty low miles. This one, what did this one have? 3,800?
I don't remember.
3,800. I think that one had 4,000. What's your green Jag got?
That's like 48.
48.
But the speedometer doesn't work.
So we got a bunch of snowmobiles with a lot of miles. But we're gonna go up and get some Primo, top them off with gas, and then I'll have my test pilot test them out. And then we can go look at his green Jag. He just put a carb kit in it yesterday, so that seems to be running better. So we'll get some gas. All right, I think we're time for test drives. Payne's gonna fire up the Jag first. It is pretty chilly out, it's -5. Battery went dead, but she's a little cold-blooded, so he's gonna give her a little snort of carb cleaner. See if she'll take off. This one does have electric start, but she doesn't turn her over fast enough to start when it's cold.
Sometimes it does.
And he let her die. Just ripping her right off the hip. He's gonna be surprised when he rides one of them other ones. He's got quite a bit more snort than the old 440. But it is running a lot better, so. The needle was wore out. I put the new kit in it. He definitely runs a little better. Well, park that one, see if we can get one of the other ones started. All right, the Jag rips. We'll try the cross country. Start, fill her up with gas. Switch is a little funky. Smoking a little bit and had a little oil coming out of the pipe, but hopefully it was just from it sitting so much. Doesn't seem to be smoking now, so here, keep it running. Hey, keep it running. if he can handle the power. Didn't think she would fire off like that, so that's a good sign. Of course, it was sitting in the shop too, so. Seems to run pretty good. Guessing he'll like that one better than the Jag. Let him rip her around for a while and then we'll try the powder special. Well, first test drive complete. What do you think?
Fast.
You like it better than the Jag?
Yeah.
She does smoke quite a bit, so we'll have to see. She might have a oil consumption issue. Maybe rings or something. But we'll ride her for a while and see what happens. See if she follows plugs. Now he's gonna give this one a rip. Unless the cat's gonna. Nitro, you gonna give it a rip? Hey. We'll see. Cat on a cat. Well, we'll roll this guy out. Fire up. All right, Peyton's gonna try and rip this one over. She's EFI, so it should take care of itself. Good runners, sounds like, other than Smokey. Better warm up a little bit. I greased up the spindles on that one. She steers a little hard. I ran out of grease, so it's probably a little much for him to turn. We'll see. He's taking a couple slow rips. Well, let him rip her a little bit and we'll see what he thinks of that one, and then we'll probably take them both for a ride down the ditch. We don't have registrations on them yet. I'll make sure they run, but looks like they're gonna run, so it'll cost me another 200 bucks. Well, what do you think?
Fast.
Which one do you like best?
ZR.
The old ZR. Now the Jag's just gonna sit forever or what?
Probably.
This one around, she did cut out here and there, so not sure what that's about, but I think we'll take them both down the ditch a couple times and make sure they're gonna stay good. But now how many you got now? 5?
Yeah.
5 snowmobiles. But that'll keep us busy for the winter. Maybe use them to go ice fishing, go for a trail ride or something. So that's gonna do her for this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.